Hello everyone. Gonna go ahead and create a new game. We're gonna be a first-person shooter. If you guys not familiar, we'll be using the Unreal Engine 5. Currently they're at 5.1.1, but I'll be working with 5.3.3. So once you go ahead and download it and launch it, we'll go ahead and click on Games, and instead of choosing a first person, we will go ahead and choose the blank one. It seems it's because if you choose the first person, it will be a lot of content that we're going to be removing and deleting. So instead, we'll just start with the blank one. Make sure it's a blueprint. All this project is going to be a blueprint, and uh, click on the starter contact and choose the project location, and then I will go ahead and name this one as a first person shooter, and going to be a zombie game. And once this is done, go ahead and create it, and then wait until it downloads. Okay, as you see right here, it's a blank project, and if you press play, you would just pretty much nothing happens, and walk around. So from here at the contact, we're gonna go ahead and hit right click in new folder. We're gonna call it blueprint. And inside the blueprints, we're gonna go ahead and create some blueprint class. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the a character. I'm gonna go ahead and call this one is FPS character. I'm gonna go ahead and create another one. Let's go ahead and make a player controller. I'm gonna call it first person shooter player controller. I'm gonna go ahead and also create so we're gonna create a game instance, and it doesn't show right here, so from the drop down you're gonna go ahead and create um, game instance. Go ahead and choose this one, and you're gonna go ahead and call this one FPS game instance. We're also gonna go ahead and make a game status. So from all class, if you go ahead and search game status, make sure you get the base one. Do not get the one with the status, because otherwise it's not gonna work. I'm gonna call it FPS game status, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a HUD. So here again, you gotta click HUD, go ahead and call it first person shooter HUD. And then let me think, what else do we need? So we got the game instance, player controller, the HUD. And then we're gonna get the game mode. Or game mode base. Select that one. PS game mode. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click on edit next. Project setting. You're gonna go ahead to maps and modes, and then from here we're gonna choose our FPS game mode, and then also we're gonna go to the game instance class, and we're gonna choose FPS game instance. Close that. Next thing, we're gonna go ahead and click save. Uh, Go ahead and open the game mode. Double click on that. Big, And then so the first one, we're gonna keep it the same. Second one, we're gonna go ahead and choose FPS game status. Player controller, we're gonna go ahead and choose player controller. And the HUD, we're gonna go ahead and choose the FPS HUD. The player status, we're gonna keep it player status. And the pound, uh, gonna keep it as well. Believe we're gonna go ahead and choose the character. Let me just confirm real quick, check my notes. Yep, this looks good. We're gonna go ahead and compile and save. And pretty much this is what we're gonna be having. And one last thing, I'd like to make it color. So we're gonna say color, go ahead and choose any color you like. I'll go ahead and choose blue for this one. Make it a little, see. Go ahead and just cut a blue one, or just the red. Okay. This is it for this episode. We're gonna go ahead and continue the next one.